This is a product unboxing video of KScan E, an all-in-one 3D scanner, which supports intelligent, wireless, and infrared large format scanning, while combining flagship level quality with lightweight portability. This is the protected case for the KScan E. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First up, we have got the scanner itself. Check out those sleek lines. It's designed to feel great in your hand, so even during long scanning sessions, it stays super comfy. The main body of the KScan E features upper and lower cameras, with laser emitters right in the middle. On the back, we have got the control buttons. Looking at the bottom of the scanner, you will see the power and the data ports. On either side are network card slots. With KScan E's powerful onboard processing, dual cards ensure faster and more stable data transfer, especially in high-volume scanning scenarios. And don't worry about power interruptions. The high-performance battery module keeps things running smoothly, even in unreliable environments. KScan E is a flagship all-in-one product with higher precision and 6 standard function modes to meet the needs of different scenarios. This time, we upgrade a large format scanning mode, equipped with 38 infrared laser lines, with a maximum working distance of 1.5 meters. At the same time, 17 parallel blue laser lines were added for high-performance scanning. The ultra-fast scanning performance has been improved again, with 4 times 27 full-cross laser lines, and the scanning speed is up to 8,290,000 measurements per second, making our scanning process more efficient and convenient. Another cool addition is the customizable button. It offers amazing flexibility, but we will dive deeper into that in the future video. Now let's take a look at what else comes in the case. We are equipped with device batteries, markers, a wireless router, a USB cable, a power adapter, and this is the mobile phone holder. Pair it with screen and you can monitor your scans from your phone. Total freedom and convenience. Take out these accessories, and there is a calibration board at the bottom. In addition to the above standard accessories,